5 reasons why you should have a company uniform for your cleaning business. Well, the number one reason is actually brand identity. A customer, it reminds the customer of who you are, and it's great advertising. There's been many times when we've been out and about that people have approached us and asked us for a business card because they've seen that we're a cleaning business. So, that's one of the greatest things about it is brand identity. Number 2, it boosts your customers' trust and client perception. Again, that's a key part because we always want to make sure that we establish an element of trust, and and it's modified through our, it's amplified through our brand recognition. Again, we're going to have our shirt and our logo and everything, and people are going to recognize that. Number 3 is that we want to dress to impress. And, employees who are dressed in a uniform tend to take better care of their image. That instantly sets them apart as a professional and more organized. Number 4, it fosters a sense of unity. So, when you have a group of employees who are dressing identically or similarly, it develops a sense of solidarity and belonging. So, that's a great thing. That may be one of the things that you're trying to develop in your culture, in your business. And, the other thing it does is it creates an atmosphere of where teamwork is valued. Very important. Number 5, it increases profits. So employees are brand ambassadors when they have your uniform on, your logo. So they're always on hand to push sales, and that's great. And as well as developing exceptional customer service. So that's what you'll find is that typically if your employees out in the workforce or out there in the account, your clients are going to be able to identify who they are easily from a distance because of the uniform. And that's great because there's been many times when our clients, when they needed something, they can just go right to that person because they recognize them as a, part of our business. And that's all about, making sure that we provide that exceptional customer service because we want to take care of things right now for these people. So keep these things in mind. If you don't have a uniform now, consider it. Maybe you start with just a shirt with a logo on it, and then maybe at some point you'll do a shirt and pants, and have a whole full uniform. Do what's best for your business. I would highly recommend it because it really makes a difference. Again, everybody's a walking billboard then because people will recognize the company and the branding, and it really makes a difference. So hopefully you found this helpful, and if you did, go ahead and click on the like and share button. Make a comment down below. Let us know. Do you have uniforms, or what are you doing? I'm Steve Hansen. I'm co-founder of the 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗨𝗧.com and myhousecleaningbiz.com. Just want to say thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.